Yep, Bafethu Sanbonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It doesn't cost a thing, Bafethu. Danko. As an Orlando Pirates fan, Bafethu, I will be fair. I will be fair and honest, Nan Bafethu. I don't think Pirates will come back or win this match. I don't think so. The only chance I think Pirates has, Bafethu, is to score 3 goals and not concede. We were my penalty. But that Pirates will score 4 or 5 and their team angeke ikore. It's highly impossible, guys. It's highly impossible. That team scored 3 goals and we failed to score 1 goal, Buffett. The least we can do, Buffett, is to go a stadium, so support the Pirates. If we lose, we lose. Yeah, Yabo Buffett is still another chance next year. We can by losing this match or this fixture, we can focus more who league title because okwamanje one thing is important, Buffett, is that Pirates must win a league title. You can't win Champions League and not win a league, yabo. Pirates must win the league, and I think this season, if we can focus nje kuphela, yabo le focus esiyifaka kuma-cup kuma-Nedbank Cup MTN 8, if only if we can focus ku-league that way, singabi nendaba ukuthi kuyenzekani ku-CAF ku-Nedbank Cup. Ayibalulekanga lento le, siwina icup eli-1 every elingabalulekanga, so it's better we lose ku-CAF and sicinise isandla lapha ku-Betway Premiership. That's the only way, because manje we are fighting a losing battle and like guys, we need to be honest. Wena mawucabanga le team le edlala nePirates, iPirates ingakora 1, leya team izochubeka idlale. Yabo? Mayingakora 2, leya team angeke ichubeke idlale. Izodlala into yokuthi seyikhipha ibhola ifuna iPirates ikorele okus-3. So I don't think mina it's worth ukuthi singaze sikhale ukuthi sidliwe ku-CAF, Bafethu. Yabo, there's another chance mara i-league, Bafethu. I think we need to win i-league. You can comment ungitshele ukuthi uqabangani. Danko.